when you are going to buy a property, what should you look for that when it's been recently renovated? What should you be looking for in that regard?
Yeah, that's right. That's a great question, because you want to be sure, for example, that if there's a new bathroom or kitchen, it looks like it's been done fairly recently, then you want to make sure that that has been actually done by a licensed tradesperson and all the relevant certifications and approvals are available, because of course then it gives you a comfort, number one, that it's been done properly. But secondly, if it's been done within a certain time frame, as the new buyer, you'll still be afforded the protection of that home warranty insurance scheme that I've mentioned.
Yeah, great.
Hi, I'm Antonia Mercorella, CEO of the Real Estate Institute of Queensland. Thanks so much for watching this video, which is a segment from PropIQ, a show produced by the REIQ to help provide insights into real estate for both people in the industry and consumers. I'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Speaking of new videos, you might want to check out this one next.